Watching your baby's entire body jump with each hiccup can be, well, a bit startling for you, not them. But don't worry. According to the Cleveland Clinic, hiccups usually don't bother babies one bit. In fact, they're especially common in newborns and infants. So what's the deal with these mini spasms? Hiccups happen when the diaphragm, the muscle that helps us breathe, gets irritated and decides to throw a little tantrum. To help calm things down, the Cleveland Clinic suggests switching up feeding positions, burping more often, or offering a pacifier. The sucking motion can work wonders on that jumpy diaphragm.